So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your referral link here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, go to the home screen here, go to the top right and press on your profile icon. Once you're here under invite friends, earn rewards, go ahead and press on that. It'll redirect you to this page right here. So once you're here, it says invite a friend, earn a $10 reward. So you can go ahead and see this right here. But if you go to the bottom and press on share your invite, you can go ahead and share your invite code or your referral code with someone, and they can sign up using that link. And then you guys will earn a reward because of that. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to share your referral link with someone here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.